video tutorial is about LED art. So let's get started. So we need a flat box, maybe a sweets box or clothes box. Take the bottom part, draw a circle on the top and a small rectangle at the side. Take a cutter and cut the shapes. So the circular shape is for the frame to hang on the wall and the rectangular shape is for the LED light to pass through it. Now take the LED lights and detach the plug from it. Now pass that end of the LED light into that rectangular shape and cover the bottom part of the box with the LED light. Secure it with the tapes. Now take the black chart paper. Chart paper should be larger than the box. Now take the box and draw the outline with a pencil. So I have taken two prints. First one is not mandatory. It is only for reference. Second one is required. So I am going to draw this quote on the chart paper. Once done, keep the paint to dry. Once fully dried, take a stiff hard pillow. Place the black chart paper on the pillow and place the print exactly at the center. Once aligned properly, secure both the papers on the pillow with the help of push pins or notice board pins. If that doesn't work, use a needle. Now start poking at the outline of the image. Leave some space on each dot. Poke in such a way that pin passes through both the papers so that the holes are created on the black paper also. Once done with the outline, start poking at the background as well. Remove the pins and needles from the side and slowly separate both the papers. Take the top part of the box and cut the center rectangle this way. So we do not require that center part. We only require the frame. Now take the chart paper and fold it at the borders. Press it well so that we will create a firm crease. Now take the frame and wrap the chart paper like a gift wrap and secure it with the tape from all the sides. Cut a small part at the bottom of the frame so that the wire will pass easily. Now take the bottom box, which is the LED part, and now close it with the top part. See, that shape is exactly where the LED light passes through. And voila, you're done! So, this is how it looks at the daytime. And at night, it sparkles. And this is how it works. I hope you like this DIY. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Ta-da!